You're watching How Leap. Let's see 5 essential Safari settings you should change now for better privacy and security. First, block cross-site tracking. Go to Settings, then Safari. Toggle on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This stops advertisers from following you across websites. Second, enable fraudulent website warning in the same menu to get alerts about suspicious sites. Third, turn on Hide IP address. Below the tracking options, tap Hide IP address and select from trackers and websites. This masks your IP from most sites. Fourth, disable check for Apple Pay. Go to Settings, then Safari, then Autofill. Toggle off credit cards and check for Apple Pay to prevent websites from seeing your payment info. Fifth, clear your history and website data regularly. Go to Settings, then Safari, then Clear History and Website Data. Tap to clear. For extra security, also enable Privacy Report in Safari's toolbar to see which trackers were blocked. These changes significantly enhance your browsing privacy on iPhone and iPad. Make these adjustments today to take control of your online data. For more simple and crucial Safari tutorials, subscribe to the channel.